Hello everyone, take a small section of the hair from the top side, make a braid out of it and then roll it up into a bun. Underneath it, make 3 sections until you join it in a ponytail at the bottom. Take a section off the top of the scalp and then make 2 braids out of it. Arrange it in the shape of a bow. On either side, make 3 sections and tie it up. Take a section from the front of the scalp, make multiple sections on the side and tie a rubber band. At the back in the middle section, make a braid and then wrap it up as a bun. Make 2 sections at the bottom. Make 3 sections. At the top, make 2 braids out of it. On the side, make 2 more braids. Join them in a diamond shape. Make 2 ponytails on either side and then make a braid out of part of it. Add a rubber band in the middle and then wrap it up and tie it up at the base. It should make it look like a heart. Add multiple sections on the side. Take a section from the front and then make 2 braids out of one of the sections. Join them as such in a bumpy shape. Make a braid at the bottom. Take a section from the top and the front, tie a rubber band to it and roll the hair in on itself. Add a hair ribbon decoration to the top. Make a braid using the ribbon and then at the bottom make 2 braids and tie it up. Make 2 ponytails on either side. Take a small section of these ponytails, join it at the back, make multiple sections. Take the top section of the scalp and then tie it up. Make 2 braids out of it, make 2 braids on either side as well. Join the middle portion with the side. Make 2 ponytails on either side. On one of the sides, that is the left side, make 3 braids out of it. Add multiple rubber bands in the middle. Pull 3 braids through the holes. Join them together. Take a section from the front, make a braid out of this front section. Tie a ponytail at the bottom, make a braid and then roll it up, add multiple rubber bands. Take a section from the front and then at the back, tie a ponytail. In the front, make 2 sections out of the one section. Tie it together and then roll it in on itself. Join it at the back. Divide the hair into 3 sections. Taking the right section, add multiple rubber bands, join it to the left and then make a braid out of the left and make it into a bun. Add 2 braids at the bottom. Take a section from the front, tie a rubber band to it. Now make a braid out of this section. Add a decorative piece to it and then wrap it around this braid that you have created. Tie a rubber band to it once you are done. Join the 2 at the back. Start off by combing the hair and then join it together, make 3 divisions out of it. Braid the hair as such and then roll it up, add multiple rubber bands to it. Add a decorative ribbon to the top and then section out the front of the hair. Using the ribbons as one of the sections, make a braid out of it. Now, join this at the back and then, using the initial braid, make another braid out of it. Tie it up using the ribbon. Divide the bottom portion of the hair into 2 parts, make 2 braids out of it, join it to the top braid, which would then be rolled up into a bun. Add a decorative clip. Start off by tying a ponytail, divide the hair into 2 parts, make 2 braids out of it. Wrap one around the other, tie it up in place as such and then roll it up slightly. Thank you for watching.